product training series. Today we'll be covering an update to Ambition Scorecards, which will now support the ability to have blended metric types, supporting both higher is better, those traditional metrics where more is better, and the flexibility to include lower is better, for those metrics where more does not mean better. Some common examples of this in a support use case are average handle time, ticket response time, and hold time. Today I'll be walking you through an example of building hold time into your customer support team's scorecard. In this example, our organization has a goal to hold every support individual to an average of 10 minutes. Jumping into your Ambition instance, you can configure your scorecard by using the left-hand navigation, clicking on Administration, Scorecards, and then selecting the role you wish to edit from the drop-down menu. From there, we're going to click on Add Metric and select Hold Time from the list of available metrics. Once your new lower is better metric has been added to the scorecard, you can toggle on the advanced options by selecting the gear icon to the right of the target located here. If you're not seeing this option, reach out to your support team, get help at ambition.com or your CSM. From here, we can change the default scoring type for the metric to lower is better. Using the example of hold time, our company targets 10 minutes as the average hold time. Up to 15-minute mark is tolerated, but will only receive partial credit in decreasing increments as the hold time increases. In the Ambition scorecard, I can represent this by setting the target to 600. Since this duration-based metric is tracked in seconds, this represents the 10 minutes. Up next, we see the scoring range start and stop values, which help Ambition know the slope of the line graph. In the example of hold time, averaging longer than 15 minutes should receive no credit. Again, since this duration-based metric is tracked in seconds, we'll type in 900 to represent the 15 minutes. Inputting that stop of 0 allows Ambition to know, again, the slope of the line, which allows users to gain more points as their hold time decreases. Since this was a net new metric, we'll need to add a weight here. We can pull 10% from the emails and input that here. Diving into the point section to the right, we'll see that hitting the target of 10 minutes or 600 seconds will earn every member of this role 10% of the total activity score points available, or 10 points. For every 1 unit decrease in hold time, they will earn an additional 0.03 points. Reps can earn more than 10 points for the hold time metric on the scorecard as their average hold time decreases, and will earn less than 10 points as it increases over that 10-minute threshold of the target. Saving the score in the bottom right hand allows us to see this in action. As a member of the customer success role, Walter sees his average hold time target as the 10 minutes or less. You can see that here. Because he is averaging 9 minutes and 10 seconds here, you'll see his bar is fully green, and he has earned a total of 11.7 points so far towards his activity score. Looking at the roll-up on a role dashboard, you can see the average hold time is 8 minutes and 31 seconds so far on the team, earning them again a full bar and 13 points toward their activity score. Thanks for joining our product training series on lower is better metrics. Please reach out to get help at ambition.com or your CSM if you have any questions, or if you're not seeing this scorecard option in your advanced setting.